Hello everyone, welcome back. Today is an exciting day because I get to open my first package from Sendico. If you don't already know what Sendico is, it's a proxy service that lets you bid on items for overseas auctions or buy things from overseas websites even if you don't read very much or any Japanese. So I've been using it mainly with Yahoo Japan, and what I can do is I can use things like Google Chrome that will let me translate automatically between languages. I can find an item that I want to put a bid on, can copy the link or the item description, put it in Sendico's website, and then they will actually place the bid on my behalf, and if I win, negotiate any shipping costs. The beauty of this is that instead of buying multiple items and having each one shipped overseas to you and building up a pretty high shipping cost, these items will get sent directly to Sendico's warehouse and they will keep them on your behalf. What you do is when you're ready, you add all those items and they will take your items and repackage it into one single package to send it overseas to you. Boom! And there it is. So we have an AV Famicom with the AV out here. I'm curious to try this with the Rad2X cable that I just got recently. And of course the two dog bone controllers. And then I have never actually held or seen one of these before. So the WonderSwan Color, Japanese only console, be interested to kind of check this out. It actually runs off of a AA battery, I believe. So that will be interesting to kind of check out and play more with that there. And it came with a boxed copy of Final Fantasy. Next is Sega Saturn game, X-Men Children of the Atom, which I will be excited to play and try out once I get my Saturn fixed. And then, the thing I'm most excited about is several Famicom Disk System games. So we have Metroid, Super Mario 2, and what I loved about this, it has the rare Famicom Disk System Burger Time on the back. And what we know in these states as Kid Icarus, or Piratena's Mirror in Japan. And then Versus Excitebike. If you ever wondered in America why it was only one player, well, Japan got a two-player Versus Excitebike, and you could save the track that you designed because it's on a disc. Alright, so time to try out some of these, and hopefully this gives me a bit more for some future videos. Take care, y'all.